Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to successfully install your Undermount Fireclay sink. Turner Hastings is here to ensure your installation process goes smoothly. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions to make your installation a success. Remember, careful preparation is key, so make sure you have the necessary tools and materials ready before you begin. Before you start, carefully review the installation instructions provided by Turner Hastings. Ensure you adhere to local plumbing and building codes. Additionally, due to the nature of fireclay and its natural variation, we recommend using the actual sink instead of relying solely on a template or specific drawings for cutouts. Unpack your new sink and thoroughly inspect it for any signs of damage. If everything is correct, keep it safely in its protective packaging until you're ready for installation. Due to the intricacies of under-counter installations, it's recommended to entrust this job to trained and experienced professionals. Their expertise ensures a secure and efficient installation. For a safe and damage-free installation, we strongly recommend having two people work together for the installation process. As fireclay is heavy and strong, the sink needs to be supported from underneath. Measure the overall height of the sink and install a 25mm thick shelf in the cabinet under where the sink will be. Be sure to cut out holes for the wastes. Also ensure there is a cutout in the back so you can easily reach in to attach the tap after the sink is installed. Next, the stonemason will position the sink upside down on the benchtop. They will trace around the outer edges of the sink to mark its placement. Draw a second line inside the marked line at the appropriate distance based on your specific sink. Fireclay can be installed with the stone overhanging in line with the inner wall of the sink or even with the lip of the sink protruding out beyond the stone. Next, the stonemason will carefully cut out the benchtop along the inside line drawn. They will then polish the inner edge for a smooth finish. Sit the sink on the early prepared shelf in the cabinet. It's time to seal the deal. Apply flexible watertight silicone to the top of the sink. Avoid using epoxy or any other solid adhesive, as they can cause the sink to crack over time, voiding the warranty. Wipe away any excess silicone immediately. Proceed by installing the waste in the sink. Apply silicone between the top flange of the waste and the sink to create a watertight seal. Next, cut a tap hole in your desired location and install your tap. Allow the silicone to cure undisturbed for a full 24 hours before you start using the sink. This time frame ensures a strong and reliable bond. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the installation of your Undermount Fireclay sink. Don't forget, this sink can also be installed inset, which does not require support underneath the sink. If you have any questions or queries, don't hesitate to contact our customer support team. Enjoy your new Turner Hastings Fireclay sink.